Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a Coinbase account. Coinbase is a platform that you can use in order to buy or sell cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more than that. So, in order to get started, you are going to look up Coinbase and click on coinbase.com, or just click on Get Started right here. I'm going to click Get Started, and it will take me to a setup page in which I should enter my account details. I'm going to fill up this page and be right back with you. You can fill it. You need to fill it up with your name, what the reason that you want Coinbase, what is your source of funds, employment status, personal medical code, and the address, and many other stuff. I'll be right back. Once you've entered those informations, it's going to take you to a page looking like this, where is going to ask you how much crypto do you expect to trade per year. Let's select under under 1,000 lei, which is under $200. What industry do you work in? Let's say I'm in entertainment. Submit. And select verify your identity. Select ID type. Financial regulation require us to verify your identity. Here you need to select one of these: passport, driver's license, or national ID card. I'm going to select ID card for the purpose of this video. Choose an upload method, and here you need to give them basically a picture of your ID, your passport or something, in order for them to verify your account. I'm going to do that and be right back with you. As you can see right here, I scanned my ID basically and said, "We've received your documents. Verification often occurs within hours, but may take longer. We will email you as your verification updates." And you can see right here, ID card verifying. Once that's done, I'm going to receive an email. And in case all is okay, I should now have an Coinbase account. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's really easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.